All right, so this project I got now, if y'all look back on a couple videos where we took a tree down, this is the spot where the tree was taken down, and this is actually another tree that was taken down months before that. But I want to take a skid steer, get this cleaned up. It's kind of dried out now. Grade this out, get the sticks out of it, and then put some grass seed and straw. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so got everything strawed, or not strawed, got everything graded, got all the sticks picked up where the tree was at. So now we're gonna throw down some straw and seed using a straw blower. So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so got it done. I don't know if y'all could see in that time-lapse video, I had to stand that back up where I laid it in the fire, but that's what's left of that tree. Probably just end up cutting that trunk off and throwing that stump off in the woods. But anyway, got all this cleaned up. There used to be a chestnut tree here. Got it cleaned up, took that down a few months ago, back before winter time. Got that taken care of, dressed the driveway back up. That dirt is where we buried the water line. If you go back to the other video of me doing the yard hydrant, so that grass is slowly coming in. All this is real mature grass, so I put a little bit of seed out when after I graded this and before I did the straw, but I didn't put a lot because all this is, I imagine all this will kind of take back over. But this is where the smaller water oak was, and then over here this is the big one that I pushed over in the other video. But yeah, so that looks a lot better. Opened up the front yard a lot. Unfortunately, those water oaks, they just don't allow a lot of sunlight, and this whole area was, even though it was grass, there was a lot of moss growing, so it'd be nice to kind of have grass again up here. And then the driveway, when you watch the tree video, or if you watch the tree video, this is the post I was trying to avoid when I dropped the tree. We cleaned up all this right here. I'm not going to straw this because the dogs can't get to it because of the electric fence, so I'm just going to let this kind of take back over with grass. But yeah, the driveway, redressed it up a little bit, got it cleaned up, and then take over here to where we did where I had to fix the water line, where the sweet gum tree, I tore it up. I went ahead and regraded it and put some grass seed and straw. Of course the dogs will probably tear this up anyway, but straw makes it look like it's uneven, but it's graded slick. Got the straw put out, some grass seed, not a lot, because again this was pretty mature grass to begin with, and it gets a lot of sunlight. Despite this sweet gum tree, still get a lot of sunlight. So all right, well that's it for this project, so let's go ahead and move on to something else.